Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at YT Jobs, a freelance marketplace that has been attracting attention recently. If you're searching for online work or looking to hire freelancers for your business, you may be wondering whether this platform is actually worth trying. So in this review, we will cover what YT Jobs is, how it works, its strengths, its weaknesses, and who it may be best suited for. YT Jobs is a platform that connects clients with freelancers offering a variety of digital services. In many ways, it's similar to websites such as Fiverr and Upwork, where businesses can hire people for tasks like video editing, graphic design, content creation, social media management, digital marketing, and other online services. One thing that makes YT Jobs a little different is its stronger focus on YouTube related and creative work. The platform appears to target creators, editors, and online content professionals more heavily than some of the larger freelance marketplaces, giving it a more specialized feel. Getting started is relatively simple. Freelancers can create a profile, list their skills, add portfolio samples, and apply for projects that match their experience. Clients can post jobs, set their budget, and choose from available freelancers. There's also a review and rating system, which helps build credibility over time as users complete successful projects. One of the biggest advantages is that the platform seems less crowded than major competitors. For new freelancers, that can be a real benefit because there may be fewer people competing for the same jobs. The niche focus on digital content and YouTube services that can also help freelancers reach clients who are specifically looking for those skills. For beginners, it may be a useful place to gain experience and start building an online portfolio. That said, there are some drawbacks to consider. Since YT Jobs is still a smaller platform, the number of available projects may be lower than what you'd find on larger marketplace. As a result, opportunities can sometimes be less frequent, and there may be longer gaps between gigs. Because the platform is still growing, it's almost important to pay attention to factors such as payment protection, dispute handling, fees, and the overall stability of the marketplace. Freelancers should take the time to read the platform's policies and understand how payouts work before relying on it as a primary source of income. Overall, YT Jobs can be a solid option for beginners who want to get their first freelance projects without facing the intense competition found on larger platforms. It's particularly appealing for people with skills in video editing, YouTube management, thumbnail design, and other creative online services. However, if you're looking for a very large pool of job opportunities or a platform with a longer track record, you may still want to keep Fiverr and Upwork as your main freelancing platforms. In short, YT Jobs is an emerging freelance marketplace with both opportunities and limitations. It may be worth exploring, especially if you work in the creative or YouTube space and want a chance to stand out in a smaller community. Just keep realistic expectations, use it as one of the several ways to find clients, and continue building your presence across multiple platforms. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.